Welcome back everyone. I am Shoptaporni from BioLive. Hope all of you are doing very well. So in today's video we are going to learn about the difference between acetyl CoA and acyl CoA. So see here, you may have heard about these two terms in your biochemistry syllabus, where acetyl CoA is mainly related to the Krebs cycle, where the pyruvate gets changed into acetyl CoA, and this acetyl CoA reacts with oxaloacetate to form the first component of the Krebs cycle, that is citrate. Okay, and you have heard about the acyl CoA in case of beta oxidation of fatty acid, where in the preparative phase of beta oxidation, fatty acid, mainly the long chain fatty acid, gets changed into its acyl form, like fatty acyl CoA form for activation. Okay, so what is the basic difference between these two? So see here, you can see a common term, that is CoA or coenzyme A. So what is coenzyme A? Coenzyme A is a molecule containing several groups, and one of its major groups is its sulfohydryl or sulfonyl group. That is why we also call CoA or coenzyme A as CoA ACH sometimes. Okay, see here I have written CoA as well as CoA ACH, as it has a major sulfohydryl or sulfonyl group. Okay, so when this CoA or coenzyme A reacts with acetic acid, that is the CH3COOH, then whatever is formed is known as acetyl CoA. What is acetyl CoA? So the reaction between acetic acid and coenzyme A forms acetyl CoA. Okay, here you can see acetic acid has carboxylic group, okay, COH group, and coenzyme A has ACH group or sulfohydryl group. So here you can see here the bond breaking occurs, and ACE CoA, the sulfur group, and the coenzyme A is attached here. Sulfur group, coenzyme A with sulfur group is attached here. Okay, and in this reaction one molecule of ATP is needed, which breaks down into AMP and pyrophosphate. This pyrophosphate again gets break down into 2 inorganic phosphate when it reacts with water. Okay, so that is how acetyl CoA is formed. Now what is acyl CoA? Acyl CoA is also a similar thing, but here the carboxylic group containing acid is not the acetic acid. It is any kind of fatty acid which have at least 4 to 26 carbon moieties. Okay, so here the carboxylic acid containing group is a fatty acid which have at least 4 to 26 carbon moieties in them. See here, for example, it is a palmitic acid which have 16 carbon moieties in them. When this palmitic acid reacts with coenzyme A, it also shows the similar kind of reaction, and here you can see bond breaking occurs here, and the coenzyme A and sulfur group gets attached here. Okay, gets attached here by a thioester bond. Okay, and similarly one molecule of ATP is needed, and from which one molecule of AMP is generated, and inorganic pyrophosphate is generated, and inorganic pyrophosphate gets transformed into 2 inorganic phosphate with the reaction of water. Okay, so see here, in both the case you can see a bond is formed here which is known as thioester bond. Okay, and in case of acetyl CoA reacting with coenzyme A, fatty acyl CoA is formed. Okay, so now in both acyl CoA and acetyl CoA we can see a carboxylic acid containing group is reacting with coenzyme A which have a sulfohydryl group. Okay, and forming a thioester bond. Now what is a thioester bond? This is the thioester bond. Here you can see this is the R group of carboxylic acid containing molecule, and this is the CO group of carboxylic acid, and this sulfur comes from the coenzyme A. Okay, the sulfhydryl group of coenzyme A, and this is the R group of coenzyme A. So it is the esterification of any carboxylic acid containing group with thiol group or sulfohydryl group containing compounds like RSH. Okay, and then the esterified product forms the thioester bond. Okay, this kind of bond is known as thioester bond. So here in case of fatty acyl CoA, you can see this is the R group, this is the COO group, this is the S, and this is the R prime group. Okay, similarly in case of acetyl CoA, you can see this is the R group, this is the CO group, this is the S group of coenzyme A, and this is the R prime group of coenzyme A. Okay, so this is all about acetyl CoA and acyl CoA, and along with the thioester bond. Okay, so I hope there would be no more doubt regarding this in your mind, and if you have any doubt regarding this, please don't hesitate to comment down below. I would like to answer your doubts. Okay, and I hope this video will be useful for you. If this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching and happy learning.